Good evening everyone. My name is Simon Aleem and today I want to share a very sad news with you. In Hyderabad city of Pakistan, a pastor was attacked by a man named Muhammad Saeed. Now the name of the pastor is Pastor Shakil and he suffered so many injuries, but thank God that he is still alive. Now all of this happened in Hyderabad city of Pakistan. This city is in the Sindh province, and in Hyderabad city there is a small town called Latifabad, and in Latifabad there is a small Christian settlement. This settlement is called American Quarters, and all of the local Christians live in that area. There are few churches in that area, and Pastor Shakil was pastor in charge of one of those churches. The full name of pastor is Pastor Shakil Suba Masih. Now according to pastor, there is a man named Muhammad Saeed in that area. Muhammad Saeed and his companions, they continuously harass Christians. Now Muhammad Saeed and his gang are protected by a man named Muhammad Ali. Muhammad Ali has a lot of political connections. That is why Muhammad Saeed is able to do all those things without any fear from police or authorities. Now in that area, whenever Christian girls or women went to the church, they were harassed by Muhammad Saeed and his companions, because Muhammad Saeed and his companions, they would always stand in the way of the church so that they could harass Christian girls. They would use a lot of different methods to harass Christian girls. They would make obscene gestures. They would also say a lot of bad things about Christianity, and they would also use abusive language for the Christian girls. Now our Christian sisters were already very scared because this man was making it difficult for them to go to the church. And not only that, Muhammad Saeed and his companions would force enter Christian homes, and then he would threaten that he will kidnap Christian girls. And on top of that, Muhammad Saeed and his companions would always beat up Christians on the street. So we can say that Muhammad Saeed and his gang made the lives of Christians very difficult. Now one day, Muhammad Saeed went to Pastor Shakil and he told Pastor Shakil that he wanted to come inside the church so he can sit with the Christian girls. And he wanted to do that because he wanted to harass Christian girls some more. Obviously, Pastor Shakil did not like that, and he told Muhammad Saeed that he cannot come inside the church to harass Christian girls. Also, Pastor Shakil told him that he should not be standing in the way of the church to harass Christian girls or to call them names. And because of that, Muhammad Saeed became very angry and he became like an enemy of Pastor Shakil. So last week on Sunday, after the Sunday worship, Pastor Shakil and his church members, they were going back home when Muhammad Saeed and his companions came to the church. They were armed with deadly weapons, and then they attacked Pastor Shakil. And because of that attack, Pastor Shakil suffered severe injuries. But I saw the photos and there were bandages all over Pastor Shakil, especially on the head. And after that, Pastor Shakil and his church members, they tried to file a police report against Muhammad Saeed and his companions, but police, they purposely delayed. They did not want to file a report. And after that, just a few days ago, police finally filed a police report, but Muhammad Saeed and his companions, none of them were arrested. They are still roaming around the streets freely and they are still harassing Christians. And I can say that literally no action was taken against Muhammad Saeed or his companions. You know, it was attempted murder, but police did not take that seriously. And it's just because the victim is a pastor. Now, according to the reports that I have received, Pastor Shakil is still in danger. Muhammad Saeed and his companions are asking Pastor Shakil to compromise with them and to withdraw his police report. And they are also threatening Pastor Shakil that if he do not compromise with them, they will really hurt Pastor Shakil, his family, and his church members. And they were also saying that they will burn the church to the ground. This is what literally every Christian in Pakistan is facing right now. And that kind of incidents, they keep on happening, but Pakistani government, they do not take it seriously. And you can even see that it was an attempted murder, but police still did not take an action. Pastor Shakil could have died, but he was lucky that he survived. It was an attempted murder. They attacked him because they wanted to murder him. But still, police did not take it seriously. And it's just because the victim is a pastor. Now I request you to please pray for Pastor Shakil and his family and all the Christians living in that area, because they are still in danger. Because this man, Muhammad Saeed, he was never arrested by police. His companions were also never arrested. So they are all still roaming around the streets, harassing Christians, making more problems for Christians living in that area. And I think that it's really not fair, because this justice system, it seems biased. Christians do not get justice in Pakistan. So I request you all to please pray for all the Christians living in Pakistan. Also, please share this video with as many people as you can, so they can also know how Christians are being persecuted in the worst possible way in Pakistan. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel. And the name of our channel is Peace Worldwide. And after you subscribe, please click on the bell icon as well. Thank you so much, and God bless you all.